So here we need to use the this keyword because it's a property, so it's a small mistake from the tutorial here. If you don't want to use the this keyword, you need to remove the private, but then we won't be able to use the store in the other methods. And here we define the shape of the state. Usually this is defined either in a state.ts file or in the reducer file. We create an interface with the count state, for example, and then we put it in the generic here inside the store. But to make it faster, it was directly inlined here. Then for the different methods here that are linked to the button, we need to dispatch the functions. So for this one, the increment function from the actions file, the increment action, and same here and here for the decrement and reset. So now we have this property count that is already defined in the template and pipe synced here to make the subscription. That property is now bound with the store by reading the store using the selector. And from the selector we tell it to select the count property. Usually for that, when we define the state, we have also a selectors file where we define the part of the store that we want to use. But here, since the store is only with one property, we directly do that inside the select method of the store. And we have the methods that are already bound with the buttons that will now dispatch those actions, and the actions are already bound with the reducers to increment or decrement or reset. So we should be good the moment we save the file. Now let's come back to our tutorial, and now we see that we can see the 0 here of the initial state. All right, that's coming from the store. And if we increment, the actions are dispatched, and we see that they have an effect on the store if I decrement and if I reset. All right, so that's mainly it for this very simple tutorial. The others are more advanced.